say I look like a panda, but me, I think I look way more like a bear. Fuck a fork in the road, but the fork in your ear, cause I'm morbidly tortured, I torture career.
So it's finally arrived. This is the Poco X3, probably the best budget phone available in 2020, and today I'm going to be unboxing it and giving you my first impressions. So let's open it up and take a look what's inside. Poco usually go with the black and yellow combination, and they've kept that going. As we open the box, we've got this yellow box first, which should include a free case, I think. Yeah, so as you can see when we open it, you've got the silicone case there, accompanied with the booklets that no one actually reads. Also on the front, we've got a SIM ejection tool. Next we have the phone covered in plastic with some listed specs on the front. And thirdly, we've got the USB cable and charger brick underneath, in the box with the phone. This is a 33 watt fast charger that they've included with the phone, costing only £200. While we have companies out there that make devices costing 4 times as much, who are planning to not include chargers in the box. How weird is that? So I'm going to show you the phone specs on the screen now. So for the display, we've got a 6.67 inch IPS LCD, 120Hz display with HDR10 capabilities. Also it has a 240Hz touch sampling rate, which will be perfect for gaming. So for the processor, we've got Snapdragon 732G, which is Snapdragon's brand new 8-core mid-range processor. It's an updated version of the 730G, it's just much more powerful in terms of processor speed and graphics. If we take a look at the camera system on the back, we've got a 64 megapixel main camera, which is f1.9. We've got a 13 megapixel f2.2 ultra wide camera. And then we've got a 2 megapixel f2.4 macro and a 2 megapixel f2.4 depth camera. The last two cameras, I don't really think there's a point in it. I think it's just a numbers game. However, they've included it, so it is what it is. On the front, we've got a 20 megapixel f2.2 camera for them crispy selfies. The phone comes with 64 or 128 gigabytes of storage. It is UFS 2.1, so it's not the fastest, but again, for £200 you can't complain. For the battery, we've got a huge 5160 milliamp battery in this thing, which is also capable of 33 watt fast charging. Like I mentioned, the charger comes in the box. And Poco claim that you can get 62% of battery in 30 minutes. As for the fingerprint sensor, they've combined it on the side with the power button. You also have face unlock. It's not a bad placement. They've not opted for the rear fingerprint sensor or in the screen. And naturally that's where my thumb lays, so perfect situation, I guess. How many flagship phones in 2020 can you name that have the features that this phone comes with? An IR blaster, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and a micro SD card expansion slot. It's just such an amazing value phone. The phone feels a lot more premium than you would expect when you hear a £200 device. Also it's got a bit of weight to it, which is probably due to the big battery. It's looking to be a promising phone, and I'm going to be testing out over the coming weeks. Looking at the specs, it's very good, but one thing I want to see is how well the software is optimized. I'm actually going to be switching to this as my daily from my OnePlus 8 Pro, which should be a fun experience. Also, I'm going to be doing a gaming performance video very soon with it, so if you've got any games you personally like me to see and try out on this device, make sure to put them down in the comments box below and I'll check them out. If you guys at home want to support the channel, remember press that subscribe button below and like the video if you enjoyed it. Also hit that notification bell to be notified of new content once it's released. Thank you guys for watching, stay safe, and I'll catch you on the next one.